ever see some shit like this? This is an let me see, let me get the actual location here. My phone. Midland City, Alabama. It's not a way station, but they got a sign up the road that says truck weighing up ahead. And so what they're doing here, looks like they're using those little portable scales. I mean, seriously, they got nothing better to do. Now there's a line at the back of me. I just don't know what the hell is going on with this water, with this country, man. What is the purpose of this? This is on US Highway 231. Coming out of Alabama, going into Florida. You're gonna run into all the scales on the I-10 and stuff like that. I mean, is this necessary? Oh, it's time to get out of trucking, man. Build a damn way station over here or something if you need to, so people can move on with their life quick. This right here, it's taking too much time. Whatever. Just want to update y'all with the early morning aggravation, man. It's 8 o'clock here in Alabama. Yeah, he just looked at that steel truck that just went by. The guy was like, yeah, you gonna waste my time. Steel truck just went by.